Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Chimp. Today we're gonna talk about how to do disk partition in Windows. As you can see here, the E drive, which is on the edge with only 2 GB of space left. To extend this E drive storage, we have to follow some steps given. So let's start open any web browser and search Minitool Partition Wizard. Click on the first link, www.partitionwizard.com. This is the best free partition manager for Windows. On this website, click on Download Now button. After downloading and installing, Minitool Partition will look like this. Here you can see that eDrive's capacity is 131 GB and 2.47 GB space left. To extend this, we have to resize D drive's capacity. In D drive 92 GB is free. We can use its space to extend E drive space. Click on Move Resize Partition, link from left panel. Now, drag this pointer to specific range to unallocate some space after resizing. For example, I need 60 GB space for E drive. Then I will select 60 GB, unallocated space here. Click the OK button. You can see 60 GB. Unallocated space has been taken out from D drive. Now click Apply button. It will start resizing partition. It might take some time to complete this operation, so I am forwarding it. So the changes has been completed successfully, but still you can see E drive is on the edge of storage. To extend it, select E drive here and click on Extend Partition from left panel. Select 60 GB free space from the drop-down. And select space range you want to take from 60 GB. Then click the OK button. Now click the Apply button on the left side. Again, it will take some time to complete this whole process. So all the changes has been applied successfully. Finally, you can see E drive storage has been extended by 60 GB. Earlier, only 2 GB was left in this drive. Now 63.4 GB has been left in this drive. So guys, if you also want to do partition like this, then visit www.partitionwizard.com and resize or extend your drive sizes. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates.